Hey everyone, so let's see this question 44. In this we have given a graph along with the edge cost and the heuristic functions, and we have to apply A star algorithm. ठीक है. So A star is actually a informed search algorithm. ठीक है, जहाँ पे हम जो cost function यूज करते हैं that we use as edge cost and plus heuristic value. Okay, so when we are exploring the graph, the cost of exploring a node that is given as this edge cost plus heuristic value, and जो भी मिनिमम कॉस्ट के एजेस होते हैं हम उनको पहले एक्सप्लोर करते हैं एंड उसके बाद लार्जर कॉस्ट होंगे. ठीक है, एंड वी हैव टू मेंटेन अ प्रायोरिटी क्यू फॉर दैट ऑब्वियसली. ठीक है, सो लेट्स एंड क्रिएट अ प्रायोरिटी क्यू हियर. ओके, दिस इज अवर प्रायोरिटी क्यू. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर मैं नोट्स लिखूंगा. ओके, सो we'll start with S obviously. सो S सबसे पहले जाएगा, which has everything at zero edge cost and zero heuristic cost. So this is zero, and and write our path here. Okay, so sh here सबसे पहले. So this is our path. In the way it is expanded, the question is asking sequence जिनमें expand हुए. So I'll be writing that, not the path but the sequence. Okay, so सबसे पहले S. Now S will give us two nodes. One is A, okay, and another one is E. And what will their cost? So A का जो cost है edge cost, that is 4, and the heuristic value is 2, that is 6. And E का जो edge cost है that is 1, and heuristic value is 6, so that is 7. So A 6 and E 7, and we'll remove S from Q क्योंकि हम इसको expand कर चुके हैं. ठीक है, now what we'll choose? We'll choose 6 based on the this cost. Okay, so now we'll expand A. So we'll expand A next. So A will give us B, right? B only it will give, as you can see in the graph. And B का cost क्या होगा? So B will be, it has 4 plus 2, 6 edge cost क्योंकि edge हम S से लेंगे. So 4 plus 2, and the heuristic value is 2, so that is 8. Okay, so B has cost 8, and we'll remove this A from Q क्योंकि इसको हम expand कर चुके हैं. The next thing which has the minimal cost, that is 7, that is E. Okay, so we'll expand E next. So E will give us C, right, which will have cost. So 1 plus 2 3, that is the edge cost, and 6 is the heuristic. So 3 plus 6, that is 9. So 9 will come here, and we'll remove this E from here क्योंकि हम इसको expand कर चुके हैं, and add here. Okay, now what will expand next? B क्योंकि it has the minimum value of cost. Okay, so we'll expand B, and again it will give us this C, and the value of this will be, we'll see this way, 4 to 6 to 8. Okay, 4 to 6 to 8 and 6 14. So this C will come here with the value of 14, but we have another value of C with the cost 9, right? So now is minimum min then 14. So we won't add that C here, we'll just go with this C which has 9. Okay, so we'll remove this B from here क्योंकि हम इसको expand कर चुके हैं. and we'll add B here. Okay, now what is left? Only C is left in the queue. So we'll expand C, and C will give us D, right? C will give us D. And what will be the cost of C? So हम इस पाथ से आ रहे हैं, राइट? इस पाथ से जब हम आए थे तो हमको C की वैल्यू 14 मिली थी, और इस पाथ से जब हम आए थे तो हमको 9 मिली थी, तो हम इस पाथ से आ रहे हैं. So what will be the cost of D? That will be 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6, and plus the heuristic, that is 2, so that is 8. Okay, and then we'll remove this C from here क्योंकि इसको expand कर दिया, and we'll add here, and then we'll expand D, that will give us G. Okay, so this will give us G, and we'll remove this from here and add here, and G की जो cost है that will be 1 2 3 3 6 3 9, right? 1 2 3 3 6 and 3 9, and heuristic is 0, so G with the cost of 9 will come here. Okay, and now the only node that is left in the queue, that is G only, so we'll explore G, and there's nowhere to explore. We have reached the G, means goal. So at last we'll explore G, which is written here, and our queue is also empty, and our A star will terminate. So what path we have got? We have got S, A, E, B, C, D, G. Okay, and which option is this? This is the third option. So C is the correct answer.